Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Forest River All-American Sport 375 CKDS. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Take the toys and family in this roomy floor plan, beds everywhere, queen bedroom up front, queen loft bed, sofa sleeper, 2 slides, basement storage, low-angle ramp to drive toys into the unit, patio awning, air ride kingpin for smooth towing. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.